Do you want to integrate HubSpot with Microsoft Dynamics 365? I've got you covered. In this tutorial, I'll show you all the steps you need to know. Let's get started. So of course, you'll need a Microsoft Dynamics account, and of course, you'll need a HubSpot account. So we're going to go up to the top here, and you'll look for the marketplace icon. It looks like a little marketplace, as I think. We're going to hit apps over here, and we're going to go and look for Microsoft Dynamics. So let's just go ahead and type in Dynamics, and you'll see that there are a few options. So what you want to actually do is look for the option that is saying by HubSpot, because this is an app integration created by HubSpot. So if this fails, then you can go on and move to the other creators, but we want to use the one that is created by HubSpot. And right here at the top, it says HubSpot certified app. So this is a good option. You're going to go up to the right hand side. You're going to click on install app. And here it says you have to connect your account. So we're going to just do the integration here. So it says connect Microsoft Dynamics 365. And we're going to say next. You're going to have to add your domain over here or your subdomain. And then we are going to click on connect to Microsoft Dynamics 365. So once you've done the integration, this install app will actually say installed, and you'll be able to now integrate all of your operations between Microsoft Dynamics 365 and your HubSpot account.